This jaw-dropping mural was created by Melbourneian street artist Mark Meataxe Taylor. Commissioned for the Big Picture Festival in 2019, this piece is a perfect example of the incredible talent Meataxe has working with aerosol paints. Inspired by the colourful artwork along the train lines growing up in Melbourne, Meataxe channeled his passion and obvious talent, graduating from RMIT with a Bachelor in Fine Arts in 1998. Meataxe has developed a fascination with images of bodies moving through water, and Emerge is one of a series of pieces recently completed by Meataxe that explores this theme. The black and white image that covers a wall in Gallery Lane features an incredibly photorealistic look at the human body and the way light interacts with water. The ripples at the top of the image and the reflections of the light across the subject's body draw the viewer in, truly feeling as though they're under the water looking up at the swimmer above. Meataxe and his team of artists, known as Clap Meataxe, have received international acclaim for their photorealistic murals. Fascinated with the human body, Meataxe has done countless works for gyms, painting bodybuilders, trainers, and even celebrities including Arnold Schwarzenegger, who has personally signed one of Meataxe's works depicting him.